Oyo State, the future of poultry farming is calling. Introducing the Oyo Mega Poultry Workshop 2026. Theme: Sustaining the Future, Positioning Poultry Farmers for Generational Impact. Join us on March 24th and 25th, 2026 at 10 a.m. prompt each day. Venue is Poultry Haven, Ajia Road, off New Ibadan-Ife Expressway, Egbeda, Ibadan. This power-packed workshop features distinguished industry leaders: Dr. Ayola Odunton, Group Managing Director, Amo Farms; Mr. Onalo Akpan, Director General, Poultry Association of Nigeria; Adigun Olufemi O, Chairman, Local Organizing Committee. Host Omidokun Oyekunle, Chairman, Poultry Association of Nigeria, Oyo State. This is where strategy meets sustainability, where knowledge becomes profit, where poultry farmers position themselves for lasting generational impact. Don't be left behind. Register now. Call 0807 574 1025 or 0906 395 2930. Send an email to panoyolinks@gmail.com or visit the website www.panoyo.org.ng. The Oyo Mega Poultry Workshop 2026. Build smart, grow strong, secure the future. This event is proudly sponsored by Official Media Partner, CEO Africa. Oyo Mega Poultry Workshop 2026. The future of poultry starts here.